Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to log into Microsoft Teams and you are receiving this error which says we couldn't find an account with that username. So if you are receiving this error message whenever you try to log into Microsoft Teams desktop app, however, when you go to browser, you are able to log in to the web version of Microsoft Teams with the same account. So you're using the same account over here and you're using the same account on desktop app, but on desktop app you are receiving this error message. So if you're facing the problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now let me inform you that troubleshooting will only help if you are able to log into web version of Microsoft Teams with same username. Only with desktop app you are receiving this error message. Then you can go ahead and follow the steps. Now the first step is to clear Microsoft Teams cache file. For this, go ahead and first of all close Microsoft Teams desktop app. So if Teams is running, go ahead and close it from Task Manager, and then open this, go to this location. So you can go ahead and paste it in Windows search box and then click on this folder, and then over here you will find Microsoft Teams. Here you can see the Teams folder. Make a right click and then click on delete, and then you can go ahead and try to launch Teams, and this time it will be asking you to log in, and you can go ahead and log in and you should not receive that error message anymore. But still you are facing the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and run Teams in compatibility mode. For this, go ahead and close Teams first. So type in Teams over here. Make sure that you close Teams from here. If you find Teams over here, go ahead and close it. Now, so type in Teams in Windows search box and then make a right click on Microsoft Teams, then click on open file location. Now make a right click on Microsoft Teams and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here, then select Windows 8 and then click on apply, OK, and then try to launch Microsoft Teams. Still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run Microsoft Teams as an administrator. Again, go to the same location, make a right click on Teams and then select properties. This time go to compatibility and put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, OK, and then try to launch Teams. Now still you're receiving this login error. In that case, you can go ahead and clear Microsoft Teams cache from Credential Manager. So go ahead and type in Credential Manager in Windows search box and then click on Credential Manager and then go to Windows Credentials, and over here you have to go ahead and find any entry which starts with Microsoft account user. So scroll down. Now over here you can see I have two entries which starts with Microsoft account user. So go ahead and select, click on it, then click on remove. Yes. Again scroll down. So go ahead and remove all the entries which start with Microsoft account user. So remove it, click on yes. And after this, you can go ahead and try to launch Microsoft Teams, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now, if nothing is working, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. For this, go to settings and then click on apps, and over here go ahead and find Teams. So type in Teams over here. And then you click on Microsoft Teams and then click on uninstall. If you find any entry with Microsoft Teams, go ahead and click on it, then click on uninstall. And after the uninstall, you can go ahead and go to this website, and then you can go ahead and download the Teams once again. And once the download is complete, you should be able to log in. You should not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.